Living a van life is full of simplicity, adventure, and excitement. It represents more than just living in a vehicle. You can see the world, learn about yourself, and focus on what really matters in your life. In addition to that, you will always experience new things inside your own little portable home. Depending on accommodation, drivetrain, price, and other features, we have made a video about the 5 best vans to live in full-time so that you can easily choose one for yourself from the available options in the market. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
One of Europe's best panel vans is the Fiat Ducato, offering plenty of features without compromising the comfort and safety so you can enjoy the road trip confidently. It has a 2.3-liter multi-jet 2 diesel engine that contains 150 horsepower combined with the 4-wheel drive, provides safe and comfortable rides every time on every road. This beast features a custom LED light bar, a front winch, new oversized wheels, crazy storage space, and a solar panel on top for all of your gadget junkies so your full-time journey becomes more efficient. It has enough space for you and 3 friends. It also has a full-size bed with a television for entertainment. Our favorite and certainly underappreciated feature is the 4-seater dining room with spinning seats. Alongside the luxury, the Ducato 4x4 comes with Apple CarPlay, My Assistant, and safety features like brake control, blind spot assist, and many more to enhance your full-time trip. Packed with a bunch of fantastic features to make your road trip comfortable and secure, the Fiat Ducato delivers max effort to make your adventure successful. This pretty vehicle starts from around $45,000. The movement that began with Volkswagen camper van, a rolling symbol for independence and freedom, now brings you a true home on 4 wheels in the Volkswagen California 6.1. Under the hood, it has a 2.0 TDI diesel engine which delivers 150 horsepower, amazing wheel drive to ensure your safety without compromising the comfort. It has perfect sized wheels, plenty of storage space, and a pop-up elevated roof, so that you and your kids can enjoy the full-time adventure efficiently. This van has more than 4 people carrying capacity with a sofa bed, fully featured dining room with spinning seats so your trip becomes more comfortable. Alongside, it has a bunch of safety features like brake control, blind spot assists, and many more to enhance your full-time trip. Moreover, the California 6.1 has a digital cockpit which is a customizable, full-color, digital 10.25-inch gauge cluster that will let the driver change views to display the most relevant information in front of him. Always experience a safe and comfortable full-time trip with the Volkswagen California 6.1, packed with a bunch of features to make your journey more comfortable. This full-time van starts from at around $71,000. Meet a small van for a big family. The Cascade from Outside Van is the perfect combination of style and function without compromising the comfort. Packed with industry-leading Ford chassis, this motorhome is powered by Kegley Motors, which provides you with a smooth and safe journey no matter wherever your destiny takes you. It offers seating or sleeping capacity for up to 4 people so that everyone can bask in the comfort of this van and have fun. It has a fully featured kitchen with stoves, oven, sink and many more so that you can cook the perfect meal every time on your full-time trip. Moreover, it has a tent that offers pretty sleeping space while it takes mere seconds to set up. Besides, it has 2 ladders so you can easily get on or off from it. Also, a powerful AMG battery and stage 3 battery system keep the heart of the electrical system in the top of the line so you can go beyond without feeling the need to stop. Make your every full-time adventure smooth and secure with the Outside Van's Cascade, packed with amazing living space for a small family without compromising on the comfort. And the price of this van starts from $100,000. Introducing the Winnebago Revel 4x4. It is a family camper van to go off-road journey for parking in the middle of nowhere or traveling long distances with your partner or kids and pets along with the accessories. Under the hood, it has a turbo diesel engine that delivers maximum power on roads, and its Mercedes-Benz chassis offers excellent safety so your rides become secure. It has a 2-person capacity while offering a flip-out kitchen, glass-top sink, water purifier and a lot more features to make your trip comfortable and fun. Besides, its spacious dining area and the swivel captain chairs into the equation, and you start to get a real sense of family adventure from this camper van. Moreover, the back section of the Revel can be packed away to make room of all of your travel, like bikes, paddle boats and much more so you can enjoy your road trip more efficiently. Packed with features, the Winnebago Mercedes-Benz Revel can take you anywhere and ensure smooth and stable drive every time. And this camper van starts from $160,000. Get yourself introduced with the #1 and the overall best full-time camper van on our list. The Storyteller Mercedes Sprinter is packed with ultimate features that will make your road trip successful. Under the bonnet, it has a powerful 3-liter turbo diesel V6 engine that provides max performance on roads, and top-class Mercedes chassis ensures ultimate safety on your adventure. With a maximum capacity of 7, it has ample space inside the van. Besides, it has a kitchen, beds, sofa, and many more to make your trip comfortable and relaxing. Additionally, its bed can be packed away easily when it is not in use, so you'll get off the grid in style and luxury, making it the best for your next adventure. Moreover, it has dimmable LED lights, AC unit, interior fan, and 12 kWh M-Power lithium-ion battery pack to make sure you stay cool in hot summer days. No matter how epic your adventures get, you and your crew can travel in comfort and peace of mind, knowing that the onboard systems of every Storyteller Mercy Sprinter is as good as possible. And the price of this vehicle starts from $150,000. So that was all about the top 5 best vans to live in full-time just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.